Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I can't even contain my excitement. This is all genuine. I have Chaka by Chaka Khan, Miss Chaka Queen, yes. Miss Chaka Khan's Perfume. I know this is gonna be epic. I'm doing an affordable fragrance series right now, right? But I love all fragrances. Anything from just plain straight up essential oils to drugstore perfumes, celebrity, designer, high end, everything. I'm here for all of it. But when I began to learn more about Miss Chaka Khan's perfume that she was coming out with, I just knew I had to have it. One, because I'm a Chaka Khan stan. This is my auntie in my head, you know what I mean? I love her. Don't worry, if her security team is watching this, I'm not that crazy. I love her. Genuinely as a fan. The perfume release is in conjunction with Miss Chaka being inducted to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So here's the presentation as it comes from HSN. They didn't do a lot of fancy stuff with, as far as like a gift set or a gift box, but I think these two items are going to be sold individually in the future. So they did a special promotion for the release of the fragrance where you can get the eau de parfum and the parfum together for $65, where the parfum alone will be about $90 as the regular price. And I'm very excited for the parfum. I don't think I've ever, literally ever in my life, had a parfum before because they're always so expensive. And I think that says a lot about the fragrance and the effort that went into this. That essential oil component, the oils that Chaka uses around her home, like the natural sort of oils and things that she might wear personally or use in her home, were the inspiration for the fragrance that really enticed me and excited me even more about this. Also, the fact that there is a parfum. I don't think I've ever owned a parfum before. If I've had one, it was probably a sample, right? Because they're always so expensive. So there's just like a lot of love and care and intention that went into this, and I'm here for it. Okay, so there's a message on the back: crafted to elevate your spirit and empower the best within you, Chaka. She wrote me a note, y'all. First, hold on, wait. Miss Chaka security team, I promise you, that was not me in her bushes, okay? The same message on this one. If there was any reservation I had about this, it's that, Miss Chaka, she's a lady of a certain age, right? She's 70 years old. And also this perfume is being sold through HSN, which usually, their customer base is like women of a certain age. I'm a woman of a certain age, not myself, but hopefully you understand what I mean. I was afraid that it would be kind of an old woman type of phrase. Like, Chaka herself is just the epitome of beauty and aging with grace and everything that I pretty much have aspired to throughout my life, and even more now as I'm in my 40s. So when I even say old woman fragrance, I say that with reverence and love. But my sense of smell and how I want to smell and things like that isn't exactly aligned with that right now, if you know what I mean. Anyway, listen to this. Not a glass bottle, not plastic, but ceramic. So the bottle is just gorgeous. It's made with this ceramic material. Of course, it's a microphone with this little black jewel. There's a little texture here on the name Chaka, and then the kissy lips are smooth. The cap itself, I noticed, it looked like it was a little bit open or kind of ajar. So that led me to think that it maybe didn't sit flush on the bottle, but it really does. So just a easy, quick adjustment there. But let's get into it. So the materials, of course, the ceramic of the bottle feels really nice. Unlike any perfume bottle I've ever owned before. I've never had any perfume that's in a ceramic bottle. And then the cap, of course, is plastic, but it's a nice feeling, sort of heavier plastic, nothing cheap or chintzy here at all. The recommendation, of course, for the EDP is, of course, to spray this as you normally would spray any perfume. And then the Parfum to use just on your pulse points. Save it, treasure it, covet it, right, to use a little at a time. The notes in this perfume are all of the elements that you would expect to find in like incense, like walking into, you know, a health food store or a metaphysical store, and like, it's just that smell. I feel like, and that was another reservation I had, like how will all of these things really mix together, right? You know, same construction on this bottle. On the Parfum. Let's see what it gives. Okay, so let's look at the spray. It sprays out. Wow. Ooh, definitely sandalwood. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is unique. This is very unique. Very sophisticated is my first impression. But yet it smells natural. This is like a sexy yogini. This is a scent of the 70s, right? But it's timeless as well. It's lovely. It's beautiful. It has a woodiness and a borderline smokiness. You definitely get the patchouli. It's herbal. It's definitely herbal. There's nothing fruity about it just yet. Wow. I'm gonna have to wear this and come back and give you my thoughts on it. It's almost overwhelming. Because it's very grounded and it has this subtle power. I would definitely say it's marketed as unisex, and I could definitely see men and women wearing this, and it doesn't lean either way. Possibly truly gender neutral. I think if you're a fragrance lover, and if you are a fragrance lover, if you love really complex fragrances, but also if you love like natural fragrances as well, this is one you cannot miss. This doesn't feel like a celebrity fragrance at all. Can I say you have to have this in your collection? I've not smelled anything like this. Like, yes, I've smelled all of the elements in this, but there's like this fire, sensual. Oh my God. Chaka, what have you done? What have you done? This will take you anywhere from like Sedona on a wellness retreat in yoga class to a first date dinner. It's like, it's beautiful, it's romantic, it's earthy. I keep coming back to this like earthiness and grounding in it. I'm gonna of course let this develop and come back. So this is the eau de parfum. I would say a criticism I could see people having for this is because of the patchouli. It's heavy on patchouli and sandalwood and musk right from the beginning. I could see people saying like it smells too much like incense or something of the sort, because it is very incensey in that sense. It's like very much granola people friendly. But then at the same time, it's strong too. It's strong and it's powerful. I'm an Aries and Miss Chaka is an Aries as well. And I think this is like a perfect fanatic of an Aries. Because you feel this fire. I was afraid to spray this because of the potency of it. Wow, okay. I should have showed you guys how it's sprayed out. And I ain't about to waste this. But both of the bottles, they spray out it comes out very light and very diffuse. This perfume smells like beauty, truth, and love. It smells like the Bohemian Revolution. That just like popped in my head from the movie Moulin Rouge. I used to watch that so many. I've watched that hundreds of times. Like in my 20s was one of my favorite movies. But yeah, it's like the spirit of the Bohemian Revolution. Definitely a very boho fragrance, but it's like, you know, that person who is boho, has a bohemian sense of style, loves to meditate, eats vegan or vegetarian. They're like vegan or vegetarian, but they're also cosmopolitan, right? But I can't do just the first impression of this. So let's talk about basics, at least, as I'm struggling with my words to even describe this fragrance. Projection is moderate here. It's not overwhelming. Definitely not headache inducing or anything like that. It is very warm. It's a very warm and strong, powerful scent that is at the same time feminine, graceful, and subdued. It's powerful and subdued. It smells like Shakti. Yeah. It smells so good. I'll have to get back to you on how long it lasts, but just the feeling that it has right now, it's going to last a long time. As it's developing, and it's a complex fragrance too, because all of those elements are there, but it seems to be just transforming and developing. Right now, I'm like 15 minutes in with having this on, and it's still developing. So, with that being the case, I have a feeling it's going to last a lot longer than that. Age group that I would see wearing this, I would say 30 and up. A mature, like 25 and up. Definitely not for teens. I definitely could see women from 30 to 100 wearing this. And if it's your 105th birthday, go on and spray on this Miss Chaka by Chaka Khan. I will definitely buy another one of these, probably another set, just to have a backup. Hopefully they never stop making this. Like I'm starting to feel passionate about it already, just because it's a very unique fragrance. I also feel like this is one that, because it's on HSN, because it's Chaka Khan, there's an opportunity here for someone who you're a fragrance lover and you love things that are unique and like aren't the department store designer things that everybody is wearing, but they're gonna make you stand out and get compliments and things like that. This is a perfect opportunity to like have something like this in your arsenal. And when people say, oh my god, what are you wearing, you say essential oils, or maybe you say Chaka by Chaka Khan, because you want to go ahead and let the queen get her sales. Okay, what is that word? Synesthesia, right? So there's another term, we'll have to look that up, where a smell transports you to a place or gives you, and you know what, Miss Chaka, she did say that in one of her interviews. She said that she's been into transcendental meditation for many years, and that she developed this fragrance. It's something that could potentially induce a meditative state, and I can definitely see that. This perfume is really magical. It's really something different, and it's something special. And I'm not just saying that because I love Chaka Khan. If it sucked, I would say that. It's really different. And I just, with reading the notes and the ingredients and things like that, and you say like, okay, well, I have a sandalwood, you know, I have things that are patchouli. I have literally patchouli itself, or I could just mix all these essential oils together. There's something like this fragrance has a DNA or something. It has a quality to it that is very special. And it's not like just a generic smelling perfume with patchouli and vanilla added. So you know what I mean? He hit this one out of the park. They hit this one out of the park. Beautiful, gorgeous fragrance. I am so glad that I got this one. Put it on you guys' list. I will be back later to do an update, follow-up video for the Chaka by Chaka Khan, because I'm just so overwhelmed right now. I don't even feel like I've done this justice, but I had to get this video out here, and give me a couple days of wearing this. And I also feel like this is one, it's very addictive, and I will want to wear this nonstop for several days. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to get back to you guys. All right, y'all. Peace.